Hey guys, it's D. Allen with the Allen Turner Home Team, and Nick and I are out here today taking photographs and shooting some videos at our new listing in the heart of Sandy Springs. Close to everything. We're right here on Roswell Road, just north of Abernathy. The Mercedes-Benz headquarters is right around the corner. Marta's not far from here. Restaurants all up and down the road. It's a great place. 3 big bedrooms in here, 2 fully updated bathrooms, great closet system in the master closet. And the bonus in this one that most of these units in this complex don't have is this cool den with a fireplace in here. So come check us out. We're going to give you a tour right now.